Today I want to talk about an inspirational video, something dear to my heart, weight loss. I've been trying to lose weight now for going on 57 years. Hasn't worked until now. I have lost a massive amount of weight, and I'll tell you my secret at the end of this video. For $29.95 a month, I will tell you my secret, but let me just give you some of the details. I have lost 0.0000007 ounces. It's an incredible amount. These results are not for everyone. I'm not going to sell you on this. This is a huge amount of weight loss, but I have lost that amount of weight in 3 months. I know what you're saying. How can I get this product? It's not a product. How can I get this information? I'll tell you. $29.95 a month, and I'll tell you how to do it. It's incredible. It's incredible. But here's how you're going to start, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to go to your refrigerator, and I want you to go to your kitchen cabinets, and I want you to make a list of what foods you have. Think about the ones that you eat the most. Go to the grocery store and buy more of them. Don't buy less. Buy more. You like them. Why would you want to buy less? Look at the foods in your cupboard or in your refrigerator that you don't eat, that you normally throw away. We all do this stuff. Yogurt. Who eats yogurt? Come on. Cottage cheese. What the heck is cottage cheese? It's rotten something. I don't know. But my plan lets you eat what you want to eat, when you want to eat it, how much you want to eat. And that's all that matters. Look, I am 57 years old. Great health. I've only had 3 heart attacks. I have high blood pressure, diabetes. I'm about to lose my toes because of something called blood sugar. Come on. I am healthy. I am 57 years old. I'm in the best health I've been in. And this weight loss is helping me. Okay? So, if you're ready to lose weight and you're serious about losing weight and you're tired of all these people telling you you can't do it, you can do it. First step. First step you should do is you should go and get a candy bar. 2 or 3 of them. Eat them. Drink a soda. Feel good about yourself. Right? Watch a little bit of TV. Get motivated. Right? After 2 or 3 hours of watching TV, get up. Walk to your refrigerator. Make a list of the foods that you eat the most. Go to your cupboards. Make a list of the foods that you eat the most. And then go buy more. My next video will be step 2. For $29.95 a month, I will help you lose weight. Once again, not everyone will get the same results that I have. 0.0000007% is a lack of an ounce is a massive amount of weight loss. And this is not customary. This is not the norm, okay? It's just what happened to me. Your weight loss may be far less. Don't worry about it. We'll get there. Have a good day.